How to create cinematic AI videos using Sora AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to ChatGPT. We need to get help from ChatGPT to make a cinematic videos. So I will simply go to ChatGPT. Here I will tell my idea to ChatGPT and I will tell that I want to create cinematic videos. So let's tell ChatGPT. After that, click on that arrow. You can use your own ideas, anything you want to write to ChatGPT. After that, click on that arrow. Now wait for some seconds. ChatGPT will give us perfect prompts. After that, copy prompt and go to Google Chrome and open Sora AI. Sora AI interface will be look like that. So simply click on that plus icon. Now paste your prompt. After that, click on that arrow. Now our video will be added to queue. So once it added to queue, we will simply wait for it, and once it's ready, our cinematic video will be ready. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.